Hi guys, Julian Michael. I just wanted to ask you guys to like my page, and most important, subscribe to my channel. I need to do probably 1 million subscribers this year. It's possible. It's possible. I only have 8 so far, so I'm looking forward to getting more subscribers. I'll be doing my videos in both isiZulu and English, especially isiZulu. I'm targeting that market, the black market, especially when it comes to cars. Most of the videos are done in English, so decided to do videos in both isiZulu and English. So please support me. If you do understand isiZulu and you like Zulu recorded videos, and then this is definitely gonna be your channel. So I need your support. I need you to subscribe, and then if you do have suggestions, you are also allowed to comment. I'll try to be as responsive as possible to your suggestions, so that I may get to that target of 1 million subscribers come year end 2020. So please guys, English is not for us, so I decided why not do in the language that I understand better, that you understand better. isiZulu. I think you're gonna show me whether I'm on the right track or still need to work even harder. But I know it's gonna be a hard market to crack, but I hope nothing is impossible. So hit like, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, if you want notifications, you can hit the notifications, and then you will know. So I'll be doing mostly cars and another stuff that you think we need to tackle, anything. So it's gonna be a busy channel, so subscribe. Thank you.